The Scout is back, and we're checking them out at the LA Auto Show. We have the Traveler SUV and the Terra pickup truck. Come with me, let's take a closer look. Both the pickup truck and SUV are body on frame and really stay true to the DNA of the old Scouts.
Taking inspiration from the original Scout vehicles manufactured by International Harvester from 1961 to 1980, these new Scouts stay true to that nature of ruggedness, practicality, and capability for the next generation.
A few cool things to note about the Terra pickup truck is the toolbox slides back and forth. It's got a 5.5-foot bed. You can see the Terra in the light bar here, and we're looking at some 37-inch tires. Both the Terra and the Traveler are optioned with the Harvester package, which puts a gas generator on board, which allows you to get up to 500 miles of range. Taking a look at the gas cap, there are a couple little Easter eggs. You see a tractor plowing a field, and the whole image is an homage to the American flag. Stepping up to the front, there's space in the front as well for things like accessories. There's even cup holders and charging ports. There's a lot of cool features in this interior, including materials, showcasing what can be done at the factory. Inside, one of my favorite things is the tactile buttons. There's actually buttons you can use to change the volume, turn up the aircon, things like that. It's also got IP bars, so you can attach things like a GoPro to film the inside or the outside. There's also the canvas top as opposed to the glass roof. Tie-down bars at the front of the truck, and even a compass above the mirror. Stepping to the rear here, you have the split tailgate. You also have the ability to switch out this cooler for the toolbox or a spare tire, and there is an optional towing package that you can add. One of my favorite options shown here is the bench seat. You can option that in both the pickup truck and the SUV, so you can fit 6 people. There's also an optional glass roof, and shown different materials inside, including leather, trims, and more. The Scout will be produced in South Carolina, and production is set for 2027. Can you see a Scout in your garage?